Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online. This is an easy method that is available worldwide. A perfect side hustle while working at home. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end to help you earn passive income. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. This one free PDF document has made thousands of dollars for people all around the world, and you can get it for free right here in this guide. This first step is to obtain a copy of this PDF document. Step 2 is to write your own code, and Step 3 is to collect your revenue automatically. Yes, this sounds wonderful, but there's a snag. If you don't take action and follow all the stats in this tutorial, it won't work. Nobody will do it for you. So if you want it to work, you'll have to pay attention and act swiftly when the movie starts. It's the only way to properly set things up. So if you can't keep up with a 10-minute lesson, you won't be able to set up this business model. However, if you can make it through the entire video without missing any portions, you'll be rewarded handsomely. The first step is to search for Google Docs or simply open Google Docs to edit and produce a PDF document for free. The simplest and best option is to go to Google and type in Google Docs or go to docs.google.com. Step 2. Make your own PDF guide or use mine, which is easy to find and entirely free. Now, to create my guide, all I had to do was go to Google and do a simple 5-minute search. Then copy and paste various articles to create my own PDF document. This isn't a case of copying and pasting. I merely changed it to make it stand out and appear as if it were my own PDF file. In addition, this is an Instagram guide, which outlines a 5-step process for growing your Instagram following in any idea. Because this strategy works in every field. You may create a 5-minute guide to losing weight, starting a business, investing to Bitcoin, or anything else. In this case, I'm putting together a step-by-step guide on how to create your Instagram following. They contain 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you'll see exactly how to include your code in these types of PDF documents. You can actually make a lot of money on semi-autopilot using the last 100% free platform that I'm about to disclose with you at the end of this article. Now, I want you to have this type of PDF 5-step guide to helping people grow on Instagram, lose weight, build a business, or whatever niche you want to be in, because I want you to have it. It's because I like to advertise your offer as well as other affiliate bargains in those tutorials, so you can benefit even more people. And as I previously indicated, you can use this in whatever niche you want. And you can easily find a 5-step instruction for anything you want. This is when I came up with my Instagram growth approach. I just Googled 5 steps to expand on Instagram, tweaked the results, merged the information, and devised my own plan. You can do the same in any specialty, such as 5 stages in losing weight, which will show you several processes that you can copy and customize your own guide. We're doing this because, as I previously indicated, we'll be promoting various offers in those PDF documents. And as I previously stated, I'll show you how to set it up on partial autopilot so you can earn those commissions completely passively. So after you have your PDF document, either by faking it or producing your own, you'll need to find some more affiliate offers. And the simplest method to do is to go to an affiliate network like digistore24.com. A decent place to start is with ClickBank, JVZoo, WordPlus, MaxBond, VCPA, Lead Offer World, or any other affiliate network. I prefer digistore24.com because it is accessible from anywhere in the globe. It's simple to use and maybe incredibly profitable. So, once you've created a free account at digistore24.com, which takes less than 2 minutes, you can go to the marketplace right here, and on the left-hand side, you'll see all of these different categories. So whatever your guide is about, you'll be able to find a matching deal here. If your guide is about how to lose weight in 5 steps, you can go to fitness and health right here and find an offer to promote within the niche, such as the best offer to lose weight, the best product to lose weight fast, and you can grab your own affiliate link, or in this case, I'll go to the left-hand side and click on social media, which will show me all the different offers I could promote, as well as how much they'll pay me. Each of those offers makes roughly 50 commissions, as you can see from one sale of this deal. This deal will net me $34.56 and then $10. Which may not seem like much at first, but it builds up over time. If you obtain 100 of these sales each day, you'll make over $400 per day. They'll be semi-automated, and advertising someone with those PDF injections will be much simpler. Simply browse the numerous offers available on Digistore or ClickBank and choose something to promote to learn why and how this will work. Let's say I want to spread the word about this great deal, which pays me merely $4.89 for each person I refer. All I have to do now is hit the Publish Now button, and that will provide me a link to my one-of-a-kind affiliate link while also allowing it to load rapidly. As a result, I now have an affiliate link that I may copy and share with others, allowing me to demonstrate how to accomplish this. If you missed it, simply click the Promote Now button next to the item you wish to support, and your affiliate link will appear immediately. There's no need to seek permission or anything of that sort. Return to your PDF document and include a call to action as well as your affiliate code, which will be the next step. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. In this case, I'd say something like best strategy to grow on Instagram today, and then include my referral link. As you can see, this is your personal affiliate code, and this will be your affiliate username. So here's the affiliate code, and here's the affiliate username. All you have to do now is paste the URL into this box and leave it there. You may now copy and paste this call to action with the affiliate link in between all of those lines, since the more call to action and affiliate links you have, the more likely you are to generate money because people will not miss your link. They'll start by reading the step-by-step guide to whatever they're passionate about. In this case, they're reading the advice you're giving them on how to expand their Instagram following. They enjoy how you're giving them a lot of relevant information on something they're interested in. And now you're helping them even more by referring them to an offer that will help them even more on their trip. In this case, all they have to do is to expand their Instagram following is to click on the link, and they'll be taken to an offer that which you can benefit. So simply leave your affiliate links in place and alter steps number 5 to anything connected to your affiliate offerings. They'll go through all of the 4 paces. They use the previous Instagram method, or the best weight loss product, or the previous business program, or whatever it is. And then just talk more about your offer below that. Tell them more about the offer and what they'll get if they sign up using your affiliate link, and then simply make a call to action using your affiliate link. It's super quick and straightforward, and all you have to do now is come over here and file. So after you've made those changes and added your affiliate link, simply click on the file to go to the download page and select PDF document. that will be immediately downloaded to my computer, allowing me to share it with friends. I'm thinking about sharing this step-by-step instruction with others because it's so helpful. I'm going to share it with others so that I can help them make money fully on autopilot. In the final stage, I'll show you how to put your traffic source on semi-automation. The quickest method to do is to go to Quora.com, where you can sign up for free in less than 60 seconds and which, according to similar websites, has over 500 million monthly visitors, meaning that there is a lot of traffic to be gained from Quora.com. After you've signed up, simply head to the search bar, as this is where people come to ask and answer specific questions. You can search for whatever your guide is about, for example, how to grow an Instagram, to find people who are interested in learning how to grow an Instagram, such as what is the best approach for developing my Instagram account, and how do I gain more Instagram followers? These are all questions that millions of people are asking on Quora, and I can start answering them with my guide because they are wondering how to grow an Instagram account. So I can now provide them with a detailed step-by-step guide. Their Instagram profiles will grow as a result of this. They're welcome to begin reading this, and I am welcome to copy my PDF papers. Please allow me to finish my PDF document, which has all of my affiliate links, as quickly as possible. I can go back to Quora and start answering questions again. So if I need to answer this person right now, I'll simply open their query and write a remark. That'll look something like this. As you can see, I'm not just spamming my affiliate link and encouraging you to sign up for this bargain. That's not how it works. Obviously, if you did that, you'd be banned from Quora, and people wouldn't pay $8,000 since they'd perceive it as just an ad pushing an offer. So they'd ignore you. They'll be a lot more likely to pay attention to your response if you first supply some value for free. They'll engage with it, possibly in something, and comment to it. They'll like the statements in the response, and they'll notice your affiliate link. All of the call to actions contained in that reply will remain on Quora in perpetuity. So in a few weeks, months, or years, when someone searches for how to grow an Instagram, how to lose weight, how to build a business, or whatever, they will see your reply. They will see your affiliate link, and you will be able to earn passive income from this for a long time. So I believe it's worth spending 10 to 15 minutes answering as many questions as possible because it will pay off in the end. Because this is comparable to free or real estate, the more responses you receive, the higher your chances of making more money. You're simply putting your links out there for anyone to click on in the future and earn you passive income. This is, in my opinion, a terrific method to make money online since you're also providing your value for free, supporting people who are looking for specific answers and presenting them with appropriate offers. And they're making a lot of money in affiliate commissions on the back end. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.